Let's make cracker shape place settings. Grab some A4 paper, fold it widthways, unfold and cut along the fold line. With your A5 piece of paper, put a little pencil mark 3 centimetres from the bottom, turn over and fold where the mark is. Now concertina the paper all the way up to the top. Next, create some more pencil marks measuring 1 centimetre and 3 centimetres from either end and draw vertical lines. Then create some more pencil marks following the diagram. Connect the marks with a lightly drawn pencil line. With some sharp scissors, cut along the pencil lines, removing the little triangular waste pieces. Repeat the snipping for the other end and rub out all the pencil marks. Cut 2 pieces of white thread at 25 centimetres long. Do the same for a couple of metallic threads. Take 1 piece of each thread and tie it in a nice neat bow around the neck of the cracker end. And of course repeat for the other end. Trim the threads to neaten the bow tails. Next, fan out the cracker ends to give the place setting some dimension. Finish off by hand lettering your guests' names by using a pencil or a pen. Make enough cracker shape place settings for everyone.